Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys. Sorry I've gone missing. Losing my voice and finals was not a fun time. However, I'm ready to start a new video with you guys, and this is gonna be based on any leftovers that we pretty much have in the fridge and we don't know what to do with. So I hope this helps you. So I try to pick out some ingredients that I feel that overall a lot of people have in their house. If you were gonna go out and buy some of this stuff, most of it kind of comes in like a bulk, especially like vegetables, depending on where you shop. So you're gonna have a lot of it, so I thought it would be a better idea that if you have any of it left over, you would use some of this stuff. It's totally under 20 bucks. So I just took half of an onion and diced it up. About a dozen of baby carrots. If you have full carrots at home, I would just use 1 full carrot. 3 celery sticks. 1 potato is necessary. You can put more if you want. After you start dicing them up, you have to put them in a bowl of water only because they start to turn in color. I used a half a bag of lentils. I usually put them in a cup of water overnight, and then I'll use them the following day. So that's gonna be like your main ingredients all together, and then we're gonna start throwing in the vegetable oil and some spices. About 1/4 of vegetable oil in a pot. Then you're just gonna add in the onions, lightly caramelize them before adding any other vegetables. See, my way of cooking is I like to let everything mingle. Don't over touch it, don't over try to stand over the stove and just looking at it waiting for it to cook. Let it do its thing. If you want to move the spoon around a little bit, okay, but let it cook. Don't touch it. Come back to it when you think it's ready. You'll have an idea. I usually feel that when you cook when you're calm, or when you cook when you have music on, everything flows. So I added in a little bit of fennel seeds. They help regulate blood pressure, also reduces water retention. And if you're constipated, you're gonna want to take some of this. Pepper as well reduces inflammation. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. It actually helps absorb nutrients, so I thought that was pretty cool. And my last seasoning is in Spanish, completa sazón, which I don't really know if you pronounce it that way, I just thought it sounded cool. It has a mixture of garlic, herbs, onions, really good for you. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please message me. I definitely will send the recipe in the description box. And stay tuned for the next one.